Hello everybody. Today I introduce you how to use this button when bike is don't moving. This button responsible for parking mode. Look, pushing, and bike is on the parking and cannot go. No, okay. If I push again, parking is activated. But when bike is moving, this button responsible for cruise control. When cruise control activated, this little bit light cruise control will be light. Now we check how is working. Okay, we start. Now I'm pushing. This control is lighting, and bike go. Now we go to uphill. Here is a little bit flat road, but speed always be same. For deactivated, just pushing this button or moving throttle or pushing the brake, and cruise control will be deactivated, and here no light and cruise. Just